Congressman Arturo Robes called for investigation for the recent ambush attempt of San Jose del Monte City engineer Rodrigo Grabador in Santa Maria, Bulacan. Grabador was driving his Montero SUV when he stopped and attacked by two suspects on board a motorcycle. His vehicle was shot several times. Robes said Grabador survived the ambush attempt. He suffered several gunshot wounds. He is now in stable condition at the St. Mary's Hospital. Robes said Grabador testified in a plunder case filed against San Jose del Monte Mayor Reynaldo San Pedro and 29 other city officials of the city in connection with overpriced San Jose del Monte City Government Center. The complaint was filed by Councilor Romeo Agapito before the Ombudsman. Because of his testimony, Grabador was removed as city engineer and reappointed as the city's agriculturist. Robes said the House should probe De Pedro for the failed ambush of Grabador.
Nakakagulat, di na isang linggo bago ang natangkang pagpatay sa kanya, siya ay tinanggalan pa ng mga police escorts ng PNP at mga ito ay hindi man lamang napalitan. Kahit nga siya ay nasa gitna na ng umiigting na mga pagtatangka sa kanyang buhay. Isn't it this too much of a coincidence that this ambush was staged at the time he was most defenseless? I believe this angle needs to be explained by the Philippine National Police. Ngayon po, ako ay tumatayo sa inyong harapan, sumisigaw ng katarungan sa patuloy na pagkapanay ng kapayapaan sa aming syudad. Mr. Speaker, dear colleagues, tahasan ko pong kinukondina ang pagtangkang pagpatay kay Engineer Grabador. Kinukondina ko rin ang patuloy na maruming politika na nangyari sa syudad ng San Jose del Monte. Politikang umabot na sa pagbubuwas ng buhay, maraming politika na sinimula ng balutin ng paglulunsad ng guns, goods, and gold na kadalasan ay papapanood mo lamang sa pelikula, ngunit ngayon ay totoong nangyayari sa syudad ng San Jose del Monte.